Hi, welcome to another edition of Living on the Farm. Oh, we are glad you joined us today. If you like our videos, be sure and hit that like button and subscribe, please, so that you can get our notification every time we make a new video. Hey, can you see this helicopter is here?
Uncle, wait
Uncle
a
is just
minute. I'm
spraying something.
coming. Wait a minute. This side, this side. Uncle, come in this side. This side. Now this side.
I look at this greenery. It looks beautiful. Can you see these yellow flowers here and purple one? You know, wildflowers grow by themselves. They grow naturally in lots of places. As you can see here, I'm living in the farmhouse and I saw these beautiful flowers. My daughter is just dancing here. Look, guys, I love this greenery and these beautiful flowers.